We are Adasoft Software Training Services. This is the video tutorials for the beginners in SketchUp software.
In this video, we will discuss about group and component in SketchUp. In SketchUp, a group is a bunch of objects combined into a single object and can be used more than one in a model. But if we edit any of the group, the change will be made in that particular group only. But when you convert group into component, and if you have used it more than once in your model, any changes in any one of the component will reflect the same changes in all other same component in the SketchUp model. Components in a SketchUp model greatly affect the speed at which your design and modeling work can be progressed. We can compare component to block in AutoCAD. First, we will demonstrate how to create a group. Select the object you want to group. Then right-click and select the Make Group option from the drop-down list. Grouping will make your selection easier. If you want to edit, just double-click on it. If make a copy of a group, that copy will be same, but act as a different group. Next, we will show how to make a component in SketchUp. Select the object. Right-click on it and select Make a Component option from the drop-down list. Now a dialog box is opened. Here we can give the component name and description. Then click Create. The difference of components from group is, if you edit a component, the change will affect it to all other copy of the component. We can also convert a group into component. To remove group or component feature, just right click on it and click on the explode option. Thanks for watching this video.